In this class, we will know how to read the color code of a resistor and know the function of a resistor. The main objective of this class is to understand the function of a resistor at the understand level, to decode the bands on the resistor based on the colors using recall level. A resistor is a passive two-terminal electrical component that implements electrical resistance as a circuit element. Resistors may be used to reduce current flow and at the same time may act to lower voltage levels within circuits. In electronic circuits, resistors are used to limit current flow, to adjust signal levels, bias active elements, and terminate transmission lines, among other uses. Resistors are color coded with markings or bands that allow to quickly identify resistance values and tolerance. Using a color chart table that allow you to determine the value of any common 4-band resistor, which is shown as shown in this figure. You can see here the color bands of a 4-band resistor as well as a 5-band resistor are clearly marked in the table below. Each color is identified by a value which is given as a digit in this case. So here in this example we can see a 4-band as well as a 5-band resistor where each band indicates a value, a digit. So in case of a 4-band resistor, the first 3 bands are considered as the bands, whereas that last band is considered as the tolerance band. So memorizing this color chart will enable you to become proficient and quickly decode any resistance value. In a 4-band resistor, the first 2 bands represent the digits or significant value, the 3rd band indicates the multiplier, and the 4th band indicates the tolerance. Here you can see the first 2 bands red and violet, and the 3rd band is yellow, whereas the 4th band is gold, which is the tolerance band in this case. You read the resistor bands beginning from one end, where the tolerance band will be separated from the other band at a distance more. So from the other end you will be starting, and in this case the first band is in red color, so the value that is assigned to it is 2. The second band is violet, so the value that is assigned to it is 7. And the 3rd band is yellow, which is a multiplier in this case, so we will be multiplying it with a value of 10 power 4. And the 4th band is the tolerance band, so the entire value of this is 27 into 10,000 ohms, as it is 10 power 4. And the 4th band is gold, which is a tolerance band in this case, so here the tolerance will be plus or minus 5% as indicated from the table. So the entire value of the resistance is 270 kilo ohms. Now, as a second example, if we consider the first band here in this case is orange, so the value is 3, and the second band here is white. So the white is indicated by a digit 9, so the second value here in this case is 9. Third band is silver, which is given a multiplier in this case, so it will be taking a value of 10 power minus 2. And the 4th band is again a silver, so the entire value of the resistance is 39 into 10 power minus 2, which is nothing but 0.39 ohms with a tolerance value of plus or minus 10% in this case, as it is silver as the tolerance band. Now, let us take another example where the value of the resistance is 15 kilo ohms. Now the first band in this case is taking a value 1, which indicates the first band must be brown, and the second band in this case is 5. So the second value is green in this case. And the third band must be a multiplier which is being assigned a value of 10 power 3. So 3, the value of the multiplier 10 power 3 takes a color as orange. So the third band ultimately becomes orange. So the first band is brown, second band is green, and the third band is orange. The fourth band is being assigned a tolerance value of plus or minus 10%. So the fourth band will be silver. So ultimately we will be taking the value of 15 kilo ohms with a tolerance of plus or minus 10%. So from this video, we can clearly understand how a resistor can be decoded based on the color table if we can memorize the color chart table. And we also have learned that what is a resistor, what is its function, and how to decode it. This ends this video.